for the need park machine, sometimes maybe hair not count and not push. You should well turn on the power will turn on, but here not work properly, and here is also attached, flex. Here is flex, and the hitting. You can start here. You can press stop, urgent stop, and turn off, and press start. Let the machine to auto start. Well, it works, and then we can freeze the paper. Freeze the need to check. If it's not start again, you can press down and turn off and open and start again and after finish and then start here. And also you check the sensor. Here is the sensor for the count motor. The count motor will turn back to off. Sometimes if here is blocked, you should do that. This one is for the speed. You see, you need to come here. Well, it's down, you see? Well, they need to come here, it's not like this. So you should adjustment to the point. You should adjustment to the air switch. You don't need too much. Slowly the word with air, but it will be enough. And adjust the location. Place to the sun.